Hey Alba amigos, I'm Hannah. I'm a yoga teacher and a yoga teacher trainer. And for a long time, I didn't see any progress in my wheel pose. It was really frustrating me. So I did some research and I found a bunch of tricks that massively helped. And I'm going to share these with you today. Our bodies are so complex and we need to try various ways of stretching and ways to stimulate the nervous system rather than just relying on the classic passive yoga stretches that often you think of when you think of yoga. So try adding these 4 things into your wheel practice and you might even notice the difference in just one session. I can tell you that I did. First up is one we've talked about a lot before, mixing passive stretches with isometric stretches, where you're effectively engaging the muscles that you want to use during the stretch. For example, one I love is sitting in a tucked position, grabbing a yoga block between my hands, giving it a really good squeeze, and then lifting it high above the head. You're going to feel the shoulders reaching up towards the ears, and you want to imagine you're rotating the armpits towards each other. Now, how far can you bring that block back in space? Now hold it. Hold it. Hold it some more. And now relax. Tough, right? Try adding 10 lifts and lowers into your practice and then a long hold. And very quickly, you're going to see improvement with this drill. Now, another passive isometric drill is coming into a low lunge position. Imagine you're trying to rip the mat apart beneath you. Draw the front foot forward, draw the back knee back, feel the muscular engagement as you do this. Can you hold it for 5 slow breaths? Again, it's tough, isn't it? Now, number 2, let's try this vision drill. There's this crazy reflex in your body called the ocular motor reflex, which helps activate the body's muscles in the direction you're moving. So if you're twisting, move your eyes in the direction of the twist. In a forward fold, you look down, and in a back bend, you look up. And it really can give you a couple of extra centimeters. Now, last up is a powerful vestibular drill. Linked closely to your eyes are the middle ears, which give you balance. This is known as the vestibular system, and this brain region helps your back body muscles wake up. To get a better back bend, try and do yoga practice with your eyes closed to turn it on, or get specific and move your head around with your eyes on a target. There's another hack that also massively helped me in my back bends, and we're sharing it with you in this video here. And if you loved this video, try this full-length yoga flow, which incorporates these ideas.